Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how you can make these miniature bottles for your bathroom or vanity or whatever. Okay, first thing you need to do is when you get a plug, save the plug protector, or you can order them online by typing in 2-prong NEMA 1-5 or 1-15P power outlet cover. Okay, so then be very careful and use a razor blade. Some of them don't have this centerpiece, but some of them do. If yours has the centerpiece, then you know what you'll do is you'll take this razor blade and you'll go right along the edge and just score it down. Flip it over and do the same thing. Okay, and that's going to give you a rectangle shape by itself. And I'm holding this right even with this edge here when I'm doing it, so that I'm staying close to the edge. And I'm just going down as far as the razor blade will let me. Then I'm flipping it over and doing the other side. Be careful not to cut yourself. After you've done that, then you want to sand off any lip that's on there. If it's too thick, then you can trim it up using the razor blade and then sand it the rest of the way. Like if you didn't get it right to the edge the whole way down. Alright, so then the back is smooth, just like the front, and I'm using 400 grit sandpaper for this project. Alright, then I went on Pinterest and I printed some labels. You can cut them out however you want. They really do need to be resized to work for the project, but I just went ahead and cut them out. Then I decided what part of the label I wanted to show. Raise it up just a little bit above it so you have a tiny bit of space. I don't know if you can see that, but like just a little bit of space at the top. Okay? Maybe like a 1/16 of an inch. Then I went across the bottom and I trimmed it. That way when I center it, it's not in the way. The next thing I did was I took some tape and I used the really clear tape, like the ultra clear, and I taped it. Cut off the excess that you don't need. Try not to get your fingerprints on the areas that you're going to need. Alright, and then trim up the bottom. Alright, then you take that tape and you place it on your bottle, bending it around until it completely fits. And then trim it off at either the back or on the side for the label. And if you just type in small bottle labels on Pinterest, it all comes up. So you can leave it like this and pretend it's like a baby powder, or you can glue a seed bead to the top of it and make it a bottle of shampoo. And I just use crazy glue for that part. Okay, so you can use regular crazy glue, Loctite super glue, or you can use this glue here that will connect to pretty much anything. This says it'll connect to wood, metal, drywall, stone, concrete, vinyl, brick, marble, granite, mirror, and more. So this will stick to that as well. And this, you get a lot of it in here, so just apply it with a toothpick. You just open the lid, and there's a little pointy part here that will open the inside of the bottle. Now, mind you, when you're making this, I would not recommend this be for children to play with because it's got small objects. But there you have it. Alright, and then there is this kind of plug cover. It's the same way. Only difference is with this, you only have to worry about the bottom piece that connects it. So you just cut it off the same way. And then sand that little bit. Where it might have a sharp edge. Okay, now you can paint your bottles, or you can leave them the way they are. If you paint them, I would use model car paint or nail polish and then seal it. Alright, and that's pretty much it for this. Stay tuned and I'll show you how to make some more bottles. I'll try to post a link below where you can actually buy the plug covers online because I know that they sell them. It's just a matter of finding them. Alright, don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a question, suggestion, or comment below. And if you want to download some free printables like flooring, wallpaper, backsplashes and tiles and stuff like that, go to my website under dollhousetutorials.com and hit the bell to be notified for the next video. Alright, thanks a lot. Have a wonderful day.